Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a crafty haul. I had a day date with my wife today and we did a little shopping. So I stopped by Walmart, my local dollar store, and of course Michael's to check out their Halloween clearance. So let me show you what I picked up. When I hauled the last paper pads, I told you guys that I was missing this one and I found it. And I am so excited for one paper. And I'm going to show it to you guys right now. Look at this. This paper, you guys, is gorgeous. I need a whole paper pad filled with just this sheet. It's beautiful. I love this pad so much and I cannot wait to play with it. I had purchased a kit from Etsy maybe 2 years ago, you guys, when I first started crafting. And I think it fits this collection perfect. It has like the little girl, the trees, the cars. So I think I might cut that ephemera and use it to craft with this paper pad because it fits perfect. When I cut it, I'll be sure to show you guys so you can see how fitting it is with this paper pad. Like literally, that's how the girls are in the collection kit that I have purchased on Etsy. So pretty. So I got the paper pad, and then my wife picked up some cutting mats because I have some disgusting mats that needed some help. And even that, I was like putting tape and I can't do all that. So I told my wife to please get me some Cricut mats, being that it's my birthday month, and you know, just hook a girl up. So I picked up some mounting tape at the dollar store. I picked up this embellishment box, more mounting tape, more mounting tape. I love this one, so I stock up whenever I go there. I picked up some hot glue, some glue sticks. I picked up this cupcake kit from Walmart. It was like 70% off, I think like $2. And I think it's so cute. Make some cupcakes with my daughter. I got some Scotch tape. Well, not Scotch, the dollar store brand. Works just as good. And then, you guys, I picked up whatever I found on clearance at Michael's. I got this cute little pick. Look how cute this is, you guys. I love him. So cute. I found some Tim Holtz googly eyes. I found the Sizzix sets for Halloween. I got the, which one is this one? Let me see. These are the framelit sets. I don't know if they have names. Do they have names? This is Mr. Bones. So we have Mr. Bones. Then we have, I got also zombies. It's this one. So you get the dies and the stamps. And these were regular price $20 and I got them for $4, you guys. I also picked up some from the Recollections Halloween collection. I got this one. And you get the spider web and the spider die and these fun stamps. And these were $2. Regular price $10. I got some Recollection googly eyes. I found some of these ephemera frames from the Recollection line as well. I got 2 of these. I picked up some glossy accents. I thought these were super cute. These are some treat bags and it's like shaped as a glove. Aren't these fun, you guys? Definitely doing something with that next year on my series. I picked up this other die set with the stamps. Let me see if they have names. I don't think this one has. It just says Halloween. But you get like the coffin, the hand, the bird, the skeleton. Super fun. Some more little Tim Holtz googly eyes. This is the other Sizzix kit. Can pick this up. I got some mummy cloth. And then I got some Tim Holtz rub-ons. They look like this. I don't really use rub-ons, but I like these, so I might try them out or gift them in some Happy Mail. And then I got this one. This was the pumpkins. And then I got this one. Every single one that I came across, I picked up, you guys. I left out and found 2 containers of the candy corns. How exciting, you guys. These were regular price $6 and I got them for $1.60. So I bought the 2 that they had. I picked up this other die set. I got these cute little tubes for sequence mixes. Some more frames. I picked up this, it's a little Vignette boxes from Tim Holtz. This was clearanced out to like $1 or something, like $1.50. These are gonna be good to be altered in my Christmas series. I found these fun confetti stars at my local dollar store. So I got the mint and the pink ones. These look blue. They're coming up blue, but it's mint in person. It's not blue. I also found these cute little like lanyards. This one says Fabulous. And these were only $1 at Walmart. So I picked up that one and I think one more. I got some Monster Peeps for myself. I also found, which I was so excited about, the Halloween ephemera from Tim Holtz. Clearance down to $1.60, you guys. Or $1 something. And then we got some more glue sticks. I found this glue tape runner at the dollar store, so I picked that up. I found these cute rings at the dollar store for like tag flips. How cute are these colors? So I picked up the small ones and the big ones. And then I found this Recollections book pages ephemera. I actually want to go through this and see the pages. This looks very interesting. So this is what you get. And it's super thin, kind of like, almost like copy paper. So you get all these sheets. This is perfect for like layering. Oh, I love these. Super cool. Oh, look. So it's almost like printouts. And they're double-sided. Not all of them, but look at this one, how cool. I really wanted to see like the music page. I'm actually gonna go on, look at this one, like a dictionary page. I wanna go on, oh, that's cool. On eBay and see if I can buy like a bundle of vintage paper. Just because I've been wanting to do that, to get some music paper. This is pretty cool. Look at this, you guys. How cool is this? I'm so happy I found this. And I got such a great deal at it. Look at this, like little book pages. Makes me want to create one more Halloween project. No, you guys, I'm starting on Christmas. So stay tuned. And I know that I was supposed to film my birthday challenge, but I will be doing that tomorrow. So I'm posting this haul, and tomorrow I'll post my birthday challenge. And I got some, what is this? Envelopes, 6x9 envelopes. I found these super cute treat bags for 49 cents, you guys, at Walmart. You get 18 pieces. Those are the ones you get. I missed out on all the Walmart goodies for Halloween this year. Just because I was trying to stay away and be good and use up what I had in my stash. I also found this Halloween Tim Holtz set. And you get the stamps and the stencils, you guys. Look at that. How cool is that? Like a chevron pattern. And then the jack-o'-lanterns, the pumpkins. And then I got this stamp set, all the funky clowns. Look at that. It reminded me of that movie, It. Love it. The clown made me do it. And then, you guys, this is another thing that I was super excited that I found. It was the last one, and it's the quote chips for Halloween. I can't believe I found this. If I would have found 3 of these, I would have picked up all 3. You get so many pieces, and it's super cool. I love it. I missed out on the tarot cards, and I really wanted them. The tarot cards and all the other fun stuff that Michael's had, but I didn't go, but it's okay. I also got this pick. How cute is she? So these were $1. And then almost to the end, you guys, I picked up this other lanyard which it says Good Witch. And then I picked up the Recollection stamp set, and you get 4 stamps, gray and like a silver and like gold. These were super cheap as well. And what else is in here? And then I picked this up. How cool is this? Super cute. It's like a little tube, and then it has like all the body parts inside. I figured I'd incorporate this in a project next year. So that's everything I purchased. And then I want to show you guys some signs that I picked up at the dollar store. So I picked up this one that has a wood paneling. Really? Can you wait? I'm filming.
I was like,
thank you, child. Thank you. I closed the door, you guys, so that she doesn't come into my room. And what she does, she comes into the room. Okay, let's get back to the haul. So I got Happy Holidays, and then it has this deer and a wood paneling on the door. So cool, you guys, for just $1. And then I picked up 2 of the Christmas trucks with the tree in the back, because I just love this image, and I will have it on a mug, on a pillowcase, on a blanket, on anything. I love it. And then I got a Santa Claus. How cute is his face? And then a snowman. But yeah, you guys, that is my, oh no, I almost forgot. That's why I look at my table before I close you guys off, because OMG, the most exciting thing that I found, you guys. I had seen Karina, she's KC West on here. She did an altered clock, and you guys, I found it in the clearance section, the Tim Holtz clock kit, but it's missing like all the pieces, so it's only the clock, and they had it on clearance for $7, so he brought it down to $5 because everything is missing. So I just got the clock for $5, you guys. That is a steal. Such a good deal. And I cannot wait to alter this clock on my Christmas series. Who's excited to see the transformation of this baby? Because I totally am. And now I am done. This is it. That is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. And let me jump off. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And I hope you have a good night. Bye.